Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload sounds to Discord Soundboard from mobile. Subscribe to Guide Mentory and let's go. What you need to do is open Discord in web browser. So let's open Google Chrome, go to discord.com, accept cookies, and now you need to go to browser settings, 3 dots at the top or at the bottom depending on your browser. And now find desktop site. Select this feature. Now you have desktop Discord on your mobile. Let's find login button. Tap on that. Now enter your credentials. Sign in. Next, scroll up and find your server. This is my server, and once you found your server, tap on its name at the top and go to server settings. Now you can see Soundboard over here. Swipe left and upload sound. Now browse for sound on your device. Let's select media picker. Switch to audio. Select any audio you wish to add. Now you need to name your sound and optionally select related emoji. The con of this method is that you can't adjust sound duration and sound volume because you can just move these switchers and sliders. You can only upload your showed file prepared in prior. And that's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.